Okay guys, I'm going to do a quick little video of, yeah, it's an old pair of boots, probably around 30 something years old, but I found a trick to keeping these staying together and keeping them waterproof for all these years. And it is this stuff that you can get at the Dollar General store, and this stuff really works good. It looks like pure old lard, and what you want to do, and the reason why I got it on the stand, is that normally you take a hot day, but today is overcast, hot day, and put these outside, and you can take a old toothbrush. This is not a one you're going to reuse. You dip this stuff out and you rub it in and get it in, especially on all these little crevices and all these little junctions, and especially where the threads are. And you get that tongue, you take them threads out and you get down into that tongue area, and you get that all coated with that stuff. And then you put these boots out in the hot sun and it'll just shrink in, it'll just soak it in. And you could coat them another time while they're hot with this, and it'll melt quickly. It's like butter, and it makes this leather real pliable and smooth. And see how easy that works. But it conditions the leather, keeps it alive, and it's really great on motorcycle boots, because motorcycle boots you're going to get in wet weather and you need to keep your toes dry. And so, like I said, these are a pair of old Georgia boots I've had probably for 30 something years. I got them after high school, and that is how I keep these things alive for so long. And I've put had new soles put on them and stuff, and yeah, they look like crap, but they're made to work. Anyhow, good tip for you guys riding motorcycle or in construction. And y'all have a good one, and we'll catch you on the next video.